Welcome back. Let's go to the greens and the fairways now. The battle for championship honours will go down to the wire on Wednesday's final day of the Rose Cup at Caymanas Golf Course. This as the Jamaican professionals and the amateurs were even at 5-all after Tuesday's opening day of the tournament.
The professionals drew first blood in the morning's four-ball match play format 3-2 to lead by a point. The professional top-seeded pair of Wesley Brown and Al Robinson outclassed former JGA president Wayne Chai Chung and Tommy Lee in 15 holes. The match finished after Robinson's eagle putt missed the cup by 4 inches for them to win 5-3. However, the amateur pair of Sean Morris and Justin Borers created a major upset, beating Orville Christie and Raymond Brown 5-4 to level the tie at a point each. The amateur team went ahead 2-1 after William Nibbs and Mark Newnham defeated Martin Butt and Kevin McDonald 4-3. That was the final celebration as the professionals won the final 2 matches. Sean Green and Alan Graham beat Rocco Lopez and John O'Donoghue 2-1, with the lead changing throughout the first 14 holes before the professionals birdied the next 2 holes to level the tie at 2-all. The professionals finished the first session with the lead after Jonathan Newnham and Joel Campbell stopped teenagers Jack Steen and Seabert Walker Jr. 3-1. In the foursome alternate match play, the amateurs won the session 3-2 to tie the match at 5-all. Borers and Morris copped the double on the day over Green and Graham 2-1. Nibbs and Philip Prendergast beat Butt and McDonald 3-2, while Shemar Wilson and John Dunbar outplayed Michael Rowe and Kevin Nedrick 6-5. Once again, Wesley Brown and Al Robinson spared no mercy on their opponents, finishing their match against Lopez and O'Donoghue in 13 holes to win 5-4 to make it 2 from 2. Christie and Brown were the other winning pair for the pros after they beat Steen and Walker Jr. 3-2. Wednesday will mark the final round with the champion team receiving the Rose Cup.